subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Chinese electronics company TCL has launched its new affordable smartphone in Brazil called TCL L10 Pro. Talking about the specifications, the TCL L10 Pro features a 6.22-inch HD Plus display with 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has 19:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by octa-core Uni-SoC SC98638 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage that is further expandable up to 128GB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the TCL L10 Pro supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 5MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box and it packs with 4000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes a dedicated Google Assistant button for better voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.16 by 75.2 by 8.65mm, and it weighs around 175 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The TCL L10 Pro has been priced in Brazil at 1,299 Brazilian reals, and it is now available for purchase in the country in titanium grey color option. So what do you guys think of this TCL L10 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.